Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to reveal to you and show you how you can switch the DNS provider for your browser settings in the Brave browser in 2026. So let us dive into this. Alright guys, let me show you how it works here on my Brave browser on my PC. It works actually almost the same way as on most other browsers you may use. You will need to access your browser settings first. To do that, click on these three lines here in the top right corner. Click into settings, and here guys you will need to access the privacy and security settings next. After that, click into security, and here we'll see the option under advanced, select DNS provider, click into that drop down menu and select the one you'd like to go with, like family filter, clean browsing, or that one, any of these. So you may also add a custom if you like, a custom provider, and that's it. You don't have to save anything manually, simply return to the previous menu, and that's how it works guys. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.